Hello students, welcome to my online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we start a new unit number 3, working with PHP arrays and function, and the topic name is array with numeric array in PHP. Objective: after learning this video, students will be able to know about what is array, types of array, how to create array, and from three types of array we will cover numeric array with example. Now first of all, what is array? Array store multiple values in one single variable. A variable only store single data, means at a time only store one element, but we have more than one value, then it is preferable to take a array. Suppose I want to store 5 elements, then we cannot take a 5 different variable, but instead of this we create array using a single variable and store multiple values. Array is a special variable which can hold more than one value at a time. It is a systematic arrangement of data in rows and columns. Array can contain another array. Whenever we want to use more than one value to variable, we have to use array. Now, types of array. In PHP, there are three types of array. First one is indexed array or numeric array, which contains numeric index. Second type is associative array, which contains name case. And third type is multidimensional array, which is an array containing one or more arrays. Now, creating array. In PHP, there are two ways for creating array. First one is using array function, and second one is array identifier, using array identifier. Now, start with creation of array using array function. In PHP, the array function is used to create an array. Syntax: $array name equal to array function, in between parentheses write the value of array separated by comma, and at last put semicolon. In numeric array, each elements are assigned a numeric value starting from 0 for first element, 1 for second element, and this is continue up to n elements. Now start with a numeric array with a different example. First of all, write a PHP script according to the syntax of for creating array using array function. Write array name $number equal to array function in bracket the value of array. So here I write 10, 20, 30 separated by comma. Next, in next line, I write print underscore r in bracket array name. This function print all the elements of array with index number. The output of this script is like this: array in bracket, first is index 0. Here index is not defined, so it default start from 0. So the index of 10 is 0, index of 20 is 1, and index of 30 is 2. So the output is like this: 0 assigned to 10, 1 is assigned to 20, and 2 is assigned to 30. Now second example. Here I declare a string array. So first of all, write the array name $s name subject name equal to array function. In array function, declare the subject of 5th semester in a double inverted comma and each and every subject is separated by comma. And at last put semicolon. So here I write DWPD, Java and CNS. So this array contains 3 string value, 3 subject. Now this function print underscore r in bracket dollar as name. This function prints the subject name with its index. Here index value is not defined, so start from 0. So 0 is assigned to DWPD, then 1 is assigned to Java and 2 is assigned to CNS. Now the output of this script is like this: 0 DWPD, index 1 for Java and index 2 for CNS. Now third example. Here I declare a same array subject dollar subject name with a 3 subject name using array function, and I write a statement like this: echo dollar as name in bracket index number. So here index 0 is for DWPD, 1 for Java and 2 for CNS. And here I write echo statement with dollar as name in bracket 1. That means index 1. So at index 1, the subject name is Java. So output of this script is Java. Echo statement print a value of subject with index 1. Now third example. Here I declare a same array subject dollar subject name equal to array DWPD, Java and CNS. Same here, index value is start from 0, 1 for Java and 2 for CNS. Now I print the subject name with the use of for loop. So I take a one for loop with start from index 0 and continue up to index 2, means less than 3. And in for loop I write a statement like this: echo dollar as name bracket dollar I. So at first time here I equal to 0, so echo statement print the subject name with index 0. After printing this, the value of dollar I becomes 1. So here echo statement prints subject name with index 1. So it is Java. Then now value of variable I becomes 2. So echo statement print the subject name with index 2, which is CNS. The output of this script is DWPD, Java and CNS. Now we first perform the practical which create an array using array function. So first of all, open a notepad, and here write a PHP script using less than question mark PHP and at last question mark and greater than sign. Now here I declare one variable. First of all, declare a variable name is a equal to, using array function I want to display a array. So write values, suppose 100, 200 and 300. Now here the array contains 3 elements: 10, 200, 200 and 300. Now print all the elements of array using print function. So then write print underscore r in bracket array name, which is $a. Okay. Now again I declare a second array its name is $name. Here the array contains the subject of 5th semester. So here I write DWPD, then CNS, then Java, then CNT. Yes. Okay. Now again print all the subject name using the print underscore R function. So I have to write print underscore R in bracket dollar name. Okay. After printing one array, just print echo in bracket PR and semicolon. Now save the program, save the script with file name a.php. Now run the script in browser. Open the browser, write the practical name here. Practical name is a.php, then enter. Now this code, this output is like this. In first array, which contains 3 elements 100, 200 and 300. So here it prints at index 0, 100, at index 1, elements 200 and at index 2, 300. And second array contains subject name, 4 subject name of 5th semester. So here print underscore R print array index 0 for DWPD, 1 for CNS, 2 for Java and 3 for CNTS. Such way we can create a array using array function with both array number, numeric array which contains numbers, and with key means index is also integer number, and here create a string array also contains index now in a numeric form. Now start our next topic. Create array using array identifier. Now second way to create an array is using array identifier. The syntax of this array identifier is like this. Dollar array name in bracket open and close bracket, then equal to value. Here in each syntax we can declare one value at a time. For example, here I write one PHP script which contains same example subject name of 5th semester. So at first time here in bracket we can write a index number, but it is initially blank, so it consider the index 0. Second Java and third CNS. So DWPD index is 0. Automatically it takes one index for Java and index 2 for CNS. Now write print underscore R function same as previous example. The output of this code is same as our first practical array in bracket index number, then subject name, index number, then subject name. Now second example. In second example I declare array which contains the value DWPD, Java, CNS, but here I write a index number which is start from 1, then in second subject Java I write 2, and in third subject I write 3. So here the array index is start from value 1. Now write the function print underscore R bracket subject name which give the output 1 index for subject DWPD, 2 is for Java and 3 is for CNS. Now first perform a practical using first practical using array identifier. Now open a notepad So in the same practical file, I write changes like this. Okay. Now declare a one array name, one variable $a in bracket. I write a value 10. Now again declare variable a with value 200. Then declare again third variable $a bracket equal to 300. This array A contains three values 10, 200 and 300, and this array name A is declared as using array identifier. Now write the function print underscore r in bracket variable name which is A. Here I do not write any index number, so at first time it print the index start from 0. Now run the practical. Here value 10 is for index 0. At index 1 store 200 and at index 2 store 300. Okay. Now write here the starting index. For example, I write the starting index 100. In second element, write the index 101, and in third array element, write the index 102. Okay. Now save the practical and run the script. So here array contains three elements 10, 200, 300 with a starting index 100, then 101 and then 102. Such way we can create an array using array function. Now defining starting index value for array. Default starting index of an array is 0. And it is automatically incremented by for each successive elements of an array and repeated up to total number of array elements. But in a PHP it is also possible to define or to set a starting index of an array. For example, here I write one code which contains the array subject name DWPD, Java and CNS, and it is created using array function. But here I declared a starting index of DWPD is 19. So this function automatically takes next successive value of 19 to Java and then again next value to CNS. So when we print this array using print underscore r function, then it generates the output like this. At index 19 subject is DWPD, then at index 20 subject is Java, and at index 21 the subject is CNS. Now adding more elements to array. Suppose at first time I declared only three elements of array, and after that I want to add more elements to array. It is possible in PHP. For example, here I write script for to declare an array using array function which contains three subject at initial point with starting index is 0. Now print the array, and after that I add two more subjects in same array. So I write dollar as name, then open close bracket equal to CMTS. Here I create an array using array function, and after that I can use to declare an array using array identifier. It is possible in PHP, and two subject is add, CMTS and project with index. 0 for DWPD, 1 for Java, 2 for CNS, and continuous numbering is start from next subject CMTS, which is 3, and at project 1 index is 4. Means output is like this. At the initial point we have 3 subjects with index 0, 1, 2, and after that adding 2 more subjects to in array. I have total 5 subjects with the starting index is 0 and last index is 4. Thank you.